Having trouble stocking fresh glassware in your bar? Keep the clean glasses flowing with this under-counter dishwasher from Motac. The thermo-control device ensures water reaches 180 degrees every rinse cycle, even when the unit's used non-stop, ensuring every load of glassware is properly sanitized. The dishwasher can clean 30 racks per hour, speeding through its 2-minute cycle to ensure bartenders always have glasses on hand to prevent customers from waiting. A dish basket, cutlery container, and generic basket are included for flexibility, while the door opening safety feature prevents users from opening the unit while in use. Call our customer care team or check us out at ktom.com to order a Motac under-counter dishwasher today.